All right, I got a cordless vacuum, so I can clean the house and clean the car. So it will be, and I got for a good deal at Walmart. You know, Walmart, always good deal there. But yeah, I'm gonna open up with you. This is a Tineco Go Slim cordless quick vacuum. Quick and easy, cordless cleaning. Up to 40 minutes run time. So technically I have to charge, let's see. Some cards like this. What is this exactly for? I'm not sure. Okay, this is, I have this. I vacuum my car yesterday really fast. Oh, I like this. It's cute. Not so big. It's pretty light, I think. I'm just thinking that this can be longer somehow. This is pretty short. This is short like this. Let me see. Oh, okay, that makes sense. It's not that short. It's because, oh, look at this. It turns it on right here. So, I don't know. Hold on. Let me put the camera. I needed a vacuum. So, technically, I think the only part that I have extra is this one. So I can put it over here and clean my car. Technically, that's what I think it is. But I was thinking like if this brush over here moves around, it's just like weird. Oh yeah, it does. I don't want to break it. It's just like it has this thing here. I think I pushed the wrong way. Oh. Okay. It has this button here. Yeah, you can press and take it off. The forcing it, I learned. Okay. So I can clean my car with this. And yeah, definitely I'm gonna put it like this to clean the carpet, which has a lot of dirt from the winter. But to clean the seats, I can use this. I like it. So far, so good. So I just want to record vacuuming this. Let me just push stuff here. I'm just so excited. Looks like this is the battery. Oh. Yeah, I will have to plug it here and then put it on the outlet. I think to make sure this thing's gonna be steady somehow. I'm gonna check the discover. That's where the filter is. Oops. It says this side up. You can take and replace it. I already have some dirt here inside because I just vacuum a little bit. It goes up to the maximum line of dirt, and you can probably open. Let me figure this. Okay, I got it. Ah! I hate reading instructions, that's why. But the dirt is here. Ah. I will vacuum again. Vacuum again. So here you close. If you put this up, it's to empty. So press here. Open up. Well. Looks like I discovered something. So let's put that here. Yes. Is it the right way? Yeah, it is the right way. I just need to know how to put it back. It's not yet. There you go. Just don't force it. Don't do like me. Just make sure you adjust properly so you don't break your vacuum before you. This is not a review. This is just me buying stuff around and showing you guys what I need. Well, I think I'm gonna have to use my vacuum now because I got dirt on me.